best small sports sedans for 2024-2023 Audi RS e-tron GT. In the highly competitive market of small sports sedans, the 2023 Audi RS e-tron GT stands out as a trailblazer, combining electrifying performance, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious comfort. As part of Audi's RS performance lineup, the RS e-tron GT showcases Audi's commitment to an electric future without compromising on the exhilarating driving experience expected from the RS badge. At the heart of the 2023 Audi RS e-tron GT is a dual-motor setup that delivers an impressive 637 horsepower and 612 lb-ft of torque in overboost mode. This all-electric powertrain, paired with a 2-speed automatic transmission, ensures seamless power delivery and outstanding acceleration. The RS e-tron GT rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, making it one of the quickest sedans in its segment and providing a thrilling driving experience that rivals its gasoline-powered counterparts. The RS e-tron GT's performance is complemented by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. The standard adaptive air suspension and all-wheel steering enhance handling precision and ride comfort, allowing the RS e-tron GT to adeptly navigate tight corners and provide a smooth, composed ride on longer journeys. The car's low center of gravity, thanks to its floor-mounted battery pack, further enhances its dynamic performance and stability. The exterior design of the 2023 Audi RS e-tron GT is both futuristic and aggressive. Its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette is accentuated by sharp lines, a bold single-frame grille, and matrix LED headlights. The sporty character is further emphasized by 20-inch alloy wheels, large air intakes, and signature RS-specific design elements, which all contribute to its commanding presence on the road. Inside, the RS e-tron GT offers a luxurious and technologically advanced environment. High-quality materials such as leather and Alcantara upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting create a refined atmosphere. The advanced MMI touch response system, featuring dual touchscreens, a digital instrument cluster, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, provide seamless connectivity and entertainment. Performance-oriented features like sports seats and a flat-bottom steering wheel enhance the driver's engagement and comfort. Safety and driver assistance features in the 2023 Audi RS e-tron GT are comprehensive. The sedan comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Audi RS e-tron GT sets a new standard for performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its powerful electric drivetrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the RS e-tron GT offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Whether navigating urban streets or cruising on the highway, the RS e-tron GT promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike, showcasing the future of Audi's performance sedans.